Whoever speaks of any person speaks of no one, for he neither speaks of this nor that. For why should it rather be of this one than that? Hence, it's not of this one. Stilpo. Even though none of his works have survived, Stilpo was remembered and described by other Greek philosophers of his time, like Pyrrho, the founder of Pyrrhonism, and Zeno of Citium, the founder of Stoicism, who were his most important followers. He was also a contemporary of Theophrastus, the successor to Aristotle in the Peripatetic school, and Crates of Thebes, Cynic philosopher. Stilpo himself was the philosopher of the Megarian school, founded by Euclides of Megara, one of the students of Socrates. Stilpo lived from around 360 to circa 280 BC. He was born in Megara, Greece. It was said that he had inventive power and dialectic art that surpassed his contemporaries, as well as such a passion for Megarian philosophy that inspired almost the whole Greece. Stilpo was evoked as someone who had political wisdom, simple, straightforward character, and a very calm composure. Cicero claims, according to some sources, that he was addicted to wine and women, but his philosophy eliminated that tendency. As a philosopher, Stilpo is described as interested in logic, ethics, and dialectic. He stated that the universal is separated from individual and concrete. In one fragment of preserved writings of Teles of Megara, Stilpo divided the good into three parts: goods of the soul, goods of the body, and external goods. Interested in morale excellence, the virtue, and its self-sufficiency, he claimed that wise man shouldn't be affected by any evil or even feel it, which puts him close to Cynic philosophy. There's a story that when Demetrius, Macedonian leader, attacked and occupied Megara, Stilpo lost his wife and children. However, he spoke cheerfully to Demetrius, who asked him if he lost anything, and Stilpo replied, "I have all my goods with me." This story was inspirations to a German novelist Friedrich Klinger to write the play Stilpo and His Children, published in 1780. Thank you for watching. Don't hesitate to comment below and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video.